We've got the Tip Goop midsole ice cleats. They come in this nice little bag right here. They got this nice bag that it comes with. Let's take them out. So this is what they look like. I like the color of the band, and they're very easy to see for others. And this is what this looks like. So it's this nice rubbery material right here, and then this is where it becomes, it's like a harder, those are the cleats. So that's going to be amazing for keeping traction, definitely on the ice. But even if you're like just going for a hike in the woods or something, you want to wear these are amazing. But these are definitely amazing for the ice. So let's put them on. So basically what you're going to want to do is to tighten it so that it's very loose right now. I want to tighten it. So I'm just going to pull that like so. I'm going to do actually a little bit more. And then that's tight. And then you're just going to come down here, slide it over your shoe like that. And I can probably tighten it a little bit more, so I'm going to do that. And so, and these work with basically any shoe, you know, other than like, you know, sandals, like high heels or something. So you can use them with these. I've got my tennis shoes on. You can do them with like boots, hiking boots, whatever. So let's go ahead and put this on. I'm going to do the same thing where I am going to tighten it up a little bit, and I'm just going to slide it over the shoe. And you can sort of mess around if you want to put it in sort of like the middle of the shoe, or if you want to be it more toward the front or whatever. But, you know, amazing. You just know you made the right decision by putting these on your shoes. So amazing. Highly recommend.